Central government launched the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana about 10 years ago. This scheme was meant to protect the interest of the farmers against the crop losses due to various reasons, including natural calamities, excessive rainfall, and other risks. But over the years, the farmers believe that this scheme has not been able to protect their interests, protect their safeguards, and they have been struggling to get the claims from the insurance companies against the crop losses. Recently, the Tribune broke a story that about 47,000 crore rupees were earned by the crop insurance firms across the country, which includes about 2,000 crore rupees as earning of these crop insurance funds in Haryana. I am right now in the Chaudhry Charan Singh Haryana Agricultural University in Hisar, and with me is Comrade Indrajit Singh, who has been one of the most vocal activists of the farmers' interest. He has been also a student of this university. Let's talk to him about this scheme and how it has impacted the farmers' interest. कॉमरेड साहब जी, ये क्रॉप इंश्योरेंस स्कीम जो है प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना, ये लगभग 10 साल पहले लॉन्च की गई थी और इसमें पहले 2 साल में ही इंश्योरेंस फंड्स ने लगभग 14-15 हज़ार करोड़ रुपए कमाए थे। अभी रिसेंटली लास्ट 3 सालों में इनकी इनकम जो है लगभग 47,000 करोड़ रुपीज़ रही है। तो ये स्कीम किसानों के लिए लॉन्च की गई थी, उनके प्रोटेक्शन के लिए लॉन्च की गई थी, उनके जो अगेंस्ट क्रॉप लॉसेज। लेकिन ये एक अच्छा बिजनेस आइडिया इन क्रॉप इंश्योरेंस स्कीम्स फंड्स के लिए मतलब प्रूव हुआ है। तो थोड़ा सा आप इसको एक्सप्लेन कीजिए सिंपल टर्म्स में कि ये क्या स्कीम है प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना।
Actually, the apprehensions which the farmers movement has expressed in the very initial stage when the scheme was launched have proved correct. जो कुछ हुआ है वो सामने आ गया। यही आशंकाएं हमको थी कि इससे होगा क्या कि देयर इज नो ट्रांसपेरेंसी इन द कंपोजिशन ऑफ द स्कीम, देयर इज नो रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ द फार्मर्स एंड देयर इज नो अकाउंटेबिलिटी व्हाटसोएवर ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट और द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन। तो जो हो ये रहा है कि जो आपने 47,000 करोड़ का एक बताया और उससे पहले भी कई हजारों करोड़ों के ये पार्लियामेंट क्वेश्चंस के अंदर भी ये रिप्लाई आ चुके हैं कि वेरियस कंपनीज लाइक दिस क्षेमा कंपनी विच हैज रिसेंटली हैज बीन इन द very deep controversies regarding the money they have embezzled belonging to the farmers of भिवानी डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड दैट ऑफ दादरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट। तो वो और दूसरी जो रिलायंस वगैरह कंपनियां हैं वो इनको दिया गया। तो हमारा ये कहना था कि पब्लिक सेक्टर की जो अंडरटेकिंग कंपनीज हैं लाइक LIC या GIC उनको दिया जाए तो कम से कम जो भी अर्निंग होगी वो गवर्नमेंट के एक्सचेकर में आए तो वो किसानी के लिए भी इस्तेमाल हो सकती है। यहाँ तो फ्रॉम द very what you call the nomenclature of the scheme itself is so funny. If the private companies have to be benefited, then why it is named in the name of Prime Minister? प्राइम मिनिस्टर फसल बीमा योजना का मतलब क्या है इसके अंदर? और अब इतनी बदनामी हो रही है तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर को क्या उसका हिस्सा नहीं जाएगा बदनामी का? और हमने बीच में ये भी कहा कि अगर इतनी ही किसान हितैषी ये होती तो गुजरात ने क्यों नहीं अडॉप्ट किया इसको, पंजाब ने क्यों नहीं किया? देयर आर 12 इंडियन स्टेट्स हु हैव नॉट ऑप्टेड फॉर दिस स्कीम एंड आर रादर एक्चुअली कंपनसेटिंग फ्रॉम द नेचुरल कैलेमिटी बजट टू द अफेक्टेड फार्मर्स। तो अभी जो क्षेमा कंपनी का रिसेंटली जो हुआ 3 years का 2,096 crores of rupees, which was covered by your story only very prominently in the entire country. And there was a very hard-hitting editorial mentioning the exploitation of the farmers of Haryana and Rajasthan, particularly the Bhiwani and Dadri districts. And if we go for Rajasthan, Churu district, we have been witnessing a very huge fraud that has been played upon the farmers, and farmers have been fighting against that. In last 3 years, 4,000 crores of rupees have been embezzled and taken away by the Reliance company, and they have run away. So now the farmers have got no place to go. और जहाँ भी हम इस दौरान मतलब अपने क्लेम वगैरह के करने के लिए जाते हैं, आपको हैरानी होगी इस बात की कि आर्बिट्रेरीली वो प्रीमियम काट लेते हैं। फिर हमने कहा कि आप कंपल्सरीली ऐसा नहीं काट सकते, देन इट वाज मेड वॉलंटरली। लेकिन वॉलंटरी भी जब तक आप लिख के नहीं देंगे तब तक वो काटते रहेंगे। कई बार क्या होता है कि आपका बैंक ने पैसा काट लिया और उधर से क्रॉप लॉस हो गया और बैंक ने मनी आगे नहीं भेजा और कह दिया कि वापस ले लो अपना।
अच्छा, इसमें 3 कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं प्रीमियम में भी। एक फार्मर का कंपोनेंट है, एक स्टेट गवर्नमेंट और एक सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट। तो कुल मिला के जो हमने रिसेंटली देखा, न्यूज़ में भी देखा कि जो उनका
इसका
अर्निंग है,
केस का आप करें अगर तो 730 करोड़ रुपए जो है वो फार्मर्स कंपोनेंट उसमें डिपॉजिट हो गया।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी,
731 और
हाँ।
730 करोड़ रुपया उन्होंने फार्मर्स का एंटरटेन किया क्लेम। लेकिन जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का और सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का जो कंपोनेंट था वो तो सारा का सारा ही मतलब उनके खाते में चला गया, एक तरह से लूट हो गई।
That goes as a profit to the company.
Even that money which goes on behalf of the state and the central government also belongs to the people. तो ये 2096 करोड़ रुपया जो इस तरीके से गया है, हमने पहली बार इसको विद प्रूफ, incontrovertible proofs उनके सामने पेश करके we have proved that they have made a fraud, that arbitrarily and unilaterally they adopted the calculation of the extent of damage through satellite imagery. I mean, which is not permitted in case of cotton, maybe in certain other, or in case of you can say mustard. अब पाला मार गया मस्टर्ड को तो फली तो ऐसी की ऐसी नजर आएगी, सैटेलाइट तो दिखाएगा कि बहुत अच्छी है लेकिन अंदर तो कुछ भी नहीं है।
अच्छा,
तो
आप बार बार कह रहे हैं कि इसमें कोई फ्रॉड होता है, कोई नेक्सस है। सिंपल टर्म्स में ये बताएं कि जो ये क्रॉप इंश्योरेंस स्कीम फार्मर्स के लिए है, फार्मर्स को क्लेम नहीं मिलता है तो उनका रिड्रेसल मैकेनिज्म क्या है और ये वो कहाँ पे इसके लिए नोट कर सकते हैं और ये चल क्या रहा है?
There are redressal grievance redressal committees whose meetings are held, but no one knows when the meetings are held. Recently, under our insistence and our consistent and relentless written complaints to the government and procuring the relevant documents through RTI, we have caught them red-handed. That this is how it has taken place.
Where? What was the instance you are talking about?
Regarding the Shema company, money
in
Bhiwani and Charkhi Dadri to the amount of 350 crore rupees
for Kharif crop,
for Kharif of 20 to 23 cotton crop,
okay,
and 85 crores rupees of the mustard damage with regard to these areas again. So that also was we caught them and they accepted that yes, the company is liable to pay 85 crores of rupees, but when it was actually when they were directed to pay the money to the farmers
by the central government,
by the state government,
government.
then as well as central government,
Okay.
both, they sent it to the center. Then the company went to the court and they got it stayed. So this is how they have very long hands, we can say. वो न्याय के लंबे हाथ बताते हैं लेकिन उनसे लंबे हैं कंपनियों के हाथ, ऐसा हमें लगता है और यही हमारा अनुभव बता रहा है। लेकिन इसमें सबसे जो आपत्तिजनक बात ये है कि जो गवर्नमेंट की ब्यूरोक्रेसी और पॉलिटिकल एस्टेब्लिशमेंट, जब तक जिनकी ये जिम्मेदारी बनती है नैतिक तौर पर और संवैधानिक तौर पर और वैधानिक तौर पर कि वो किसान के हित को सेफगार्ड करेंगे, उसके कस्टोडियन हैं, वो उनके साथ कॉलूजन कर लेते हैं और वो मिली भगत करके कुछ भी करते रहते हैं तो किसान कुछ नहीं कर सकता एक तरीके से। दिस इज हाउ द फार्मर्स हैव बीन left at the mercy of these merciless companies who are earning unbridled net profits without investing anything into it. So this is the worst part of the scheme, you can say.
So what measures should be taken by the authorities, central government or the state government?
We-
What
we want
measures need to
the-
be taken to correct these fallacies,
We want the entire
the system?
procedure of evaluating, including, I mean, the registration of the insurance, then the, you can say, evaluation of the damage. Then thirdly, I can say that there should be a transparency and accountability at all levels, and farmers representatives, they should also be included in at every place of the procedure of redressal. Thirdly, I think this should not be allowed that by influencing the bureaucracy with the illicit relations with the company, they unilaterally and arbitrarily adopted the satellite imagery for calculating the loss. So, and even in paddy, etc., they don't so easily entertain the insurance damage claim of the farmers. So we want that this should be abandoned, this should be abolished, and the insurance scheme definitely should be there, but it should be under the provision of the public sector undertaking.
Okay.
Where there is no private companies to make money out of nothing. And this, I think, according to Kisan Sabha, the political leadership of the state is accountable, and they should reply it to the farmers and the people of our state that how did it happen. And in spite of this matter being raised several times in the assembly, nothing concrete is being done. And only recently, on 12th of this month, there was a meeting of the redressal committee. Even at that time also, the thing did not advance, and it is going to escalate without giving any hope to the farmer. Only one joint director level officer was suspended when we caught them that this is here that you have made the big blunder and there is dishonesty and non-transparency. Everything is opaque. Then they suspended one officer.
One officer was suspended
Yes.
for lapses in implementation of this scheme.
They found Mr. Rajiv Misra, joint director, not I think not his honesty and sincerity was found doubtful, but in writing they will not write that what exactly dishonesty or what other things he
But
must
it
have
was
done.
related to this scheme, implementation of this scheme.
Exactly, it was mentioned there, no
Okay,
doubt,
okay,
and
okay.
it was only with regard to his role related to this scheme alone that this his suspension was done. But after that, I don't think it is only one person. There are several, and there is a chain of this thing, and without a highest level involvement of the administration and political establishment, I don't think such a huge fraud is possible to be commissioned so meticulously.
You are raising questions on the intent of the
Absolutely
Ruling
intent
party,
of the
ruling
ruling
government.
BJP party that they are hiding the they are hiding the matter under the carpet and not coming out clearly that what action they are seeking in spite of all the proofs been deposited with the government. So whether it is chief secretary, principal secretary, chief minister or the agriculture minister, they all are responsible for that and accountable to the people of Haryana and the farmers.
Okay.
Even in this coming assembly session, we hope that we have sent memorandum to many ministers and all those and MLAs, and we hope that they should come out with a concrete reply so that some real relief which is pending against the company of the farmers who are already very much reeling under very deep crisis. So that we expect from the government.
Okay. So you are expecting that this issue will be taken in the assembly during the upcoming
We
session?
expect it will be raised, and we will continue our fight. Our indefinite dharna is going on in Loharu and Barda since past more than 5 months. So that we will intensify it and we will take it to the entire state. And I think the similar kinds of complaints we can find in respect to other matters of the Prime Minister Fasal Bima Yojana elsewhere also.
So here, Comrade Indrajit Singh raised the issue of lapses in implementation of the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. He also referred to the incidents in Bhiwani and Sarki Dadri district, where farmers have been holding dharna for last 5 months, demanding claims from the insurance companies. And he also is hopeful that the leaders of the assembly, MLAs from opposition parties and the government will also take up the issue in the upcoming session of
Leader
the
of opposition को भी
assembly in Haryana. So this is Dipender Deswal for the Tribune in Hisar.